guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at the top 3 books that I would highly recommend that honestly changed my life. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing, money, trading, I do have a course where you guys can get 20% off this week only, where we talk about the psychology behind trading, how I find stocks, all that good stuff. So I'll put it down below. So let's jump into the top 3 books that changed my life. All right, so the very first book that I read when I was 18 years old, I honestly felt like I never read a book even in high school, but it was this. It was Crushing It by Gary Vee. And the reason why I absolutely love this one is because he teaches you that you can pretty much make money from your passion. Whether your passion is talking to the camera, or maybe your passion is working on cars or doing anything, you can make a business from it and make money. Most people think you need to clock into a job to make money, but there is so many different ways where you can make money through social media, podcasting, starting businesses, and a variety of other ways. And that's what this book teaches you, is you can follow your passion and still make money. Reading this at 18 years old, it opened my eyes to YouTube, to courses, and a variety of other things that I've tried and kind of failed, but picking the things that I loved even more and practicing and working on them, and it's not teaching you to get rich quick, it's teaching you that there is a way and you can do it pretty much. And it's written by Gary Vee, who's an entrepreneur, and I'm sure you guys have seen YouTube videos or TikToks or Reels of Gary Vee pretty much explaining entrepreneurship. And this is his book, and I would highly recommend it. And this one here, 9 out of 10. All right, moving on to book number 2. If you guys enjoyed the first book, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. All right, moving on to book number 2 here is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I feel like this is a staple for, investing and, making money. This is gonna be the GOAT. This is gonna be the book. What he teaches you is you don't work for money. That's rule number 1. You don't work for money. You need to make money work for you. And he teaches you skills and lessons that will help you out. And another reason why I absolutely love this book is because he compares a rich dad to a poor dad. There's a common expression: when you graduate high school, you got to get into debt to go to school, and that's the only way to make money. And he pretty much teaches you that there's a lot of ways to make money work for you. And it's just a book that I would highly recommend, especially reading at a young age. It's a great book to get you on the right track for financial freedom. All right, moving on to the last and final book that changed my life. It's The Intelligent Investor. And the reason I love this one is, one, this was actually the book that Warren Buffett read himself that started his investing journey. And the first thing I thought of when I heard of that is, I need to read this book. And he pretty much teaches you different strategies and different ways to invest into the marketplace, and honestly gives you real world examples. I did read the audiobook and I read the written book, the one that I have, and it's just one that I would really recommend for teaching yourself about investing into the market. And it does teach you Benjamin Graham's different strategies and mindsets when it comes to approaching the market and how it was back in the day and how it correlates today. It's a great book. I would highly recommend it. But overall, all these books are absolutely fantastic, and to pick one is very hard. But if I were gonna pick one, if you had one book to pick for yourself, I definitely think it comes between Crushing It and Rich Dad, Poor Dad. For me, I definitely think that I probably made more money after reading Crushing It, but that could have been just because I was younger at the time. But honestly, this taught me that I can make money off YouTube, I can do courses, I can just believe in myself and make money. But a close runner-up would definitely be Rich Dad, Poor Dad, teaching you to pretty much make money work for you and not work for money. It's a great little mind exercise, and it teaches you a whole bunch, and I would highly recommend it. But overall, guys, these were the top 3 books that changed my life. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.